The journey to success often begins with 5 key principles that guide individuals towards their goals, crafting a path filled with purpose and drive. The first principle emphasizes the importance of setting clear and actionable goals, allowing individuals to create a roadmap for their aspirations. The second principle highlights the power of collaboration, demonstrating that working with others can amplify one's strengths and lead to greater achievements. The third principle is the practice of mindfulness and self-care, which fosters resilience and mental clarity, essential for navigating the challenges on the path to success. The fourth principle is unwavering perseverance, reminding individuals that consistent effort and determination are crucial in overcoming setbacks on the journey to success. The fifth principle focuses on celebrating small victories along the way, encouraging individuals to recognize their progress and stay motivated as they pursue greater success. By integrating these 5 principles into daily life, individuals can cultivate a fulfilling path to success, filled with growth, achievement, and inspiration.